Oh no.
Bayiku lahir tanggal 6 hari yang lalu. Sekarang saya tidak bisa melihatnya selama 2 minggu. Putri tertua saya meminta saya untuk tidak pergi memancing. Itu berbahaya. Sebuah helikopter Australia tembak ke arah kapal saya. Mungkin itu hanya teguran karena dia tidak mencapai sasaran kapal saya. Saya tidak ingin meninggalkan pulau saya, tapi saya ini hanya bisa saya lakukan untuk menghasilkan uang.
Say I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Got the devil in your eyes. You went and took me by surprise. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
So I think it's 8 o'clock now. We're leaving at 10 o'clock. We're leaving in a few hours. We could be out for 2 weeks. We could be out for 3 weeks.
Ready.
Here's Odie packing only the essentials. Only the essentials, Odie. Show me what you packed.
She gets only one pack.
I guess reality is starting to hit right now. 3, 2, 1.
We gonna need the boat.
That's a 20-footer.
Big shot, 20 foot.
Big man, walk it off. Everybody talk it up. Off the record, off the cuff. Yada yada, blah blah blah. Now look, I'm not here to hear you talk. You can go when you get brushed. I'm Shania through it all. That shit don't impress me much. With your loud mouth, running all around town. Can we turn the sound down? Wow. Wish you could bite your tongue till it's numb, but I'ma let you finish. And when you finish, we're done. Okay, but then what? Is that really all you got? Okay, but then what? I don't like to say this much. Okay, but then what? Cause all that talk is cheap. Okay, you got plans, that just sound like talk to me. Okay, but then what? Is that really all you got? Okay, but then what? I don't like to say this much. Okay, but then what? Cause all that talk is cheap. Okay, you got plans, that just sound like talk to me. Okay. Oh my god, I need a minute. Can we pick the speed up with it? You don't need to be specific. Fingers pressing the ignition room. Race you to your point. Lost to get that, get ignored. Hate to disappoint, yeah, but hate being him on. So tell me more. Nah, I'm kidding. I'm struggling to listen and keep the indifference.
Yeah, I am Captain Abdul Manan Captain. That's my brother too. But we are boss now. We must cooking now.
Who's cooking?
Madison, because you are my crew.
We're setting the second set of hooks right now. Second day fishing.
Kalau cinta sudah dibuang, jangan harap keadilan akan datang. Kesedihan hanya tontonan bagi mereka yang diperbudak jabatan. Oh oh ya, oh ya, oh ya, bongkar. Oh oh ya, oh ya, oh ya, bongkar. Sabar, sabar, sabar dan tunggu. Itu jawaban yang kami terima. Ternyata kita harus ke jalan. Rokokkan setan yang berdiri mengangkang. Oh oh ya, oh ya, oh ya, bongkar. Oh oh ya, oh ya, oh ya, bongkar.
Good morning, Odie. How are you this morning? Hey guys, welcome to the middle of nowhere. Weather's looking good. Got a slight breeze from the south. Lots of sharks dead today. No sun. We've been out here a week or a month, not really sure. Roland? How many days have we been fishing now? 7? How many days have we been fishing sharks? Like 3? There's another tiger shark. Can you film it? remember the very first time you went shark fishing?
Yeah, I remember.
How old were you?
I 7 years old.
7 years old.
Yeah, I remember that. So my father told me, you fishing, you must study, continue study and study. Don't like me, because I am always fishing shark. Continue our study, because the life or fishing many danger for you. So don't fishing again. Only I am fishing. So I don't know when I university. My dad is dead when I second semester. So I not continue our school and university because I'm always think about my father.
So you had to go back to fishing because your father died when you were in university?
Yeah, because this is broken head. I'm always think about my father. How can to eat my father and my mother, all my family have already not good thing about that.
Odie, if you could do anything other than fishing sharks, would you?
Come close and lend an ear. And I say, hey, hey, leave it like we're renegades. Hey, hey, leave it like we're renegades, renegades, renegades. All hail the underdogs, all hail the new kids, all hail the outlaws.
Do you know how much shark fins cost when they end up in China?
I don't know.
Don't know.
I don't know.
Let's begin. And I say, hey, hey, leave it like we're renegades. Hey, hey, leave it like we're renegades, renegades,
Ask Mowgli if he likes fishing sharks.
Dampak ko musik yuk.
No.
You don't like fishing sharks?
I know like
Why?
why big and rain and because wind.
That's better.
Just to get.
Bad.
Just to bad. It's a little speaking English, no good. Lah tak kena trap. Nagdampa.
No fishing. No crying up there. Ito lang.
Oh, you complaining about your hands again?
Bunang lagi tangan tak dua tangan tak.
Lagi slip.
Brother, are you asleep?
Ketiak.
He's like, oh.
Jago bulok.
Injuries on the hands.
No good fishing.
Tidak ada.
I know.
Chen.
Center job.
Jawaban yang kami terima.
Kalau cinta sudah dibuang, jangan harap keadilan akan datang. Kesedihan hanya tontonan bagi mereka yang diperkuda jabatan. Oh ya bongkar. Oh ya bongkar.
Sekarang saya tidak lagi menjamu ikan hiu di atas kapal saya. Sekarang saya menjamu turis
Sabar, sabar, sabar dan tunggu. Itu jawaban yang kami
Saya
terima.
menghasilkan lebih banyak uang dan bisa bersama keluarga saya di malam hari.
Robohkan setan yang berdiri mengangkang. Oh, oh ya, oh ya, oh ya, bongkar. Oh, oh ya, oh ya, oh ya.
Saya menemani putri bungsu saya, Pip, sama seperti bos kecil saya. Karena dia membawa turis ke saya tidak perlu lagi memancing ikan hiu.
Oh, oh ya, oh ya, oh ya, bongkar. Oh, oh ya, oh ya, oh ya, bongkar. Oh, oh ya, oh ya, oh ya, bongkar. Oh, oh ya, oh ya, oh ya, bongkar.
Do you think your father would be proud of you doing something like tourism?
Yeah, like tourism.
He'd be happy?
So happy.
Oh my god.
Bullshit. Do this.